Hello and welcome to your first project in the Projects Using Meteor course. In this project we'll be building a to-do application called My To-Dos, and the purpose of this project is to introduce you to how Meteor works at its core, and we're going to be going over a lot of different things in this project that we'll be basically reusing throughout the course. We're going to take a look at things like CRUD functionality, which is create, read, update, and delete. Alright, so users will be able to create, manage, and remove tasks or to-dos. We'll be looking at user accounts. Meteor makes it really easy to prototype a full user login and registration system. We'll also take a look at some of the security measures that need to be taken when building a Meteor app. For instance, you need to remove the auto-publish and the insecure packages, which are put there by default for prototyping and just getting something up and running. The project sections, we're going to have 7 sections, which is quite a bit for the first project, but like I said, there's things that we need to do that that you need to learn so that we can use them in the rest of the course. So section 1 is what you're watching now, the project intro. Section 2, get started with Meteor. This is where we will install and set up and configure Meteor. Nothing too difficult. Section 3 will create the functionality to be able to display to-dos in the browser, and we'll be using Chrome tools. We'll use the console to initially add some to-dos. Section 4 will be learning how to add, update, and delete to-dos. Section 5 will implement the user account system for login and registration. Section 6 will be looking at some of the security measures, such as removing some of the packages that are there for prototyping, and I'll show you how to subscribe and publish certain parts of the database so that the whole thing isn't just visible to the user. And then section 7 will actually deploy an app so that it's live on the web. We'll be using Meteor.com, but there's a lot of different services that you can use out there to deploy a Meteor app. So you'll learn how to set up and install Meteor. You'll learn how to work with templates, template helpers, the user account system. We'll be looking at a lot of different security measures, template events. We'll take a look at some of the packages from Node Package Manager. Meteor Package Manager, and that's including Bootstrap, which we'll use on the front end, and we'll learn a little bit about MongoDB databases and collections and how collections work. So that's the gist of this project. Hopefully you like it, and I will see you in the next video.